In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to replace the battery on this Jeep. Let's dive in. The bonnet release lever is located in the passenger footwell area. Then push the safety latch to the right to open the bonnet. We'll follow a normal procedure by starting with the negative terminal first. You'll need a 10mm socket for this. Then remove the positive terminal and push it out of the way. Next, we'll remove the retaining bracket at the back. You'll need a 10mm socket and an extension for this. These bolts are prone to rust and unusually long, so they can break quite easily. Use some multi-purpose lubricant just to spray in there to make your life a bit easier. We can now remove the old battery and install the new one. It's never a bad idea to spray this bolt with multi-purpose lubricant before installing it to prevent rust buildup. Use a screwdriver to open the ends of the terminal to push it all the way down. Then lastly, we can connect the negative terminal and tighten it. You want to know what's the best battery for your vehicle? Then you need to subscribe and go and watch this one. See you there.